One is to do something that you're passionate about, that um, you have to stay true to yourself. Kung ano talaga yung passionate ka at talagang gagawin mo day in, day out. Kasi po ang pagnanegosyo, wala siyang stop time. Really. Hindi siya yung parang, oy, day off ako ngayon hindi ako sasagot or hindi ako mag-iisip. There's no such thing. So you really have to love what you do. Number two, like what I mentioned kanina, hard work. It will never, uh, hindi siya pwedeng mawala sa equation. Tatrabahuhin mo siya through and through. You have to put in so much work and so much hard work kasi hindi talaga instant yung pagnenegosyo. May mga birthing pains, sacrifices, sobrang daming tears through the years, but the fulfillment is also unimaginable. And number three is you have to take care of your team. You have to take care of your clients. You have to take care of the people who are with you from the very beginning. That's how you will stay and become bigger if you know how to treat people well. Kasi ito yung mga tao na makakasama mo, not just in the beginning, but up to the end or up to the many, many, many years of working for this brand. If they love the brand with you, they will stay with you. So I guess yun yung three most important lessons that I've learned through the years that I want to share with them. Kasi pagka nagawa mo siguro yung tatlong yun, I think you will be able to sustain it as long as Nice Print, which is 20 years and beyond.